Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my best strategies to take your Etsy sales from literally, it could be nothing, to 3 times or plus your sales and allowing you to have a ton of success on your Etsy business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Now I'm gonna kind of cut to the chase here. The strategy that I'm going to be talking about with you guys today is TikTok. TikTok is a phenomenal app that has been insanely developing over the past few years and really got its big spark during the height of 2020. This app has allowed so many different creators to have overnight success, virality that has grown their businesses or their personal brand and has allowed them to create a life that they truly love. I have to tell you guys, this has happened to me. I have experienced this wonderful app in several different ways, and it has allowed me to create business that I love and a business that is successful and creates a consistent and steady income for me. TikTok has billions of users and people all over the world are consuming content on TikTok daily, which makes it an amazing platform for someone who has an Etsy shop or a small business to promote their business for free. Yes, you don't have to pay for it to use it, and you can be promoting your products for free and driving sales to create and build you thousands and thousands of dollars in income. And yet so many people don't utilize this. Etsy itself, I can tell, is actually even pushing creators to create on TikTok and realizing the worth that the social media app provides. Just today, I actually filled out an intake form where it seems that Etsy is going to be offering an affiliate commission soon for people who are pushing Etsy on TikTok. And not only that, but they've even had a webinar with several creators and people who have seen success through TikTok come on and talk about their experience with it and how other people can recreate it for their small businesses. So there has never been a better time than now to hop on the TikTok train. Just as some proof for you and maybe a little motivation, because I get motivated by seeing other people's numbers. This is what my sales looked like every day before I started uploading consistently on TikTok with my small business. And then I was seeing numbers like this, and still am, guys. I see numbers like this daily, and my sales from my one small business can range anywhere from $500 a day to over $2,000 a day in product sales. You could say that TikTok has been a little crazy and super helpful in my business's growth, which is why I wanted to share my strategy with you guys so that you can recopy the same thing and have that same type of success for you in your small business. So without further ado, let's jump into the specific strategy. First thing you need to do, if you have not created an account, you need to go ahead and make one. Now, if you have a personal account that you already use to watch TikToks and you like funny videos on there and maybe you post pictures of you and your friend or whatever, do not use this account. Just go ahead and create a brand new account specifically for your small business. That way you have your own personal account that you can go and watch all your funny videos on, but you'll also have a business account strictly for your small business so that you can go and interact with content that is related to your business and follow a bunch of people that are related to what you're doing. Something you may notice when you are signing up for TikTok is whether or not you should put your account for a personal account or for a business account. I would recommend using the business account if you do not already have access to a link in your bio. If you're not able to put a link in your bio to your shop in your settings, then yes, you need to sign up for a business account because it will allow you to have that feature, and that is going to be crucial for driving traffic to your shop. When you sign up for the business account though, you need to note that you're not going to be able to use every sound that TikTok has. And when you actually go to your music section, when you're picking a song for videos, you're not gonna see it the same as a personal account would, and you're not gonna have as many options for things that are going viral currently. However, there is a hack for this that someone taught me on TikTok, and as you're scrolling through your For You page and you're coming across videos and you keep hearing the same trending sounds, things like that, click on the little sound icon down at the bottom right-hand corner. It's like a little circle. Click on that. You can actually favorite the sound And then when you are in your video editing part and trying to pick a sound for your video clip, you can then go to your favorites and it will be listed under there, whereas it wouldn't have probably shown up under the different sections. So you're able to still use the majority of trending sounds and things on TikTok. I honestly had my account as a business account for like a month and literally saw no difference from like a personal account. Once I figured out that hack, that honestly was the biggest lifesaver for me, and I felt like the account literally didn't hinder me at all by having it be in a business account versus a personal account. There will still be a couple of sounds that you probably can't use, but to be fair, it's probably like 95% of the sounds you can still use. So it's really not too big of a deal. Second thing you need to know is that on this new account that you're creating for your small business, you should only be creating content that is centered around you, your business, and your brand. This should not be where you post that funny trend of you and your friends on vacation, or where you post just a silly little vlog or your funny dog video or whatever it is. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're going to want to be known for your specific type of niche. So your niche is going to be small business and whatever it is that you're selling, okay? This is very crucial. You don't want to be posting all this random stuff because you might get followers from that type of content that aren't going to actually engage with your business and your brand, and therefore the followers really were for nothing because they're not actually converting to sales, which is what's most important here. And keep that in mind too with your videos, that even though you're not getting a lot of followers, if you're still getting a lot of traffic and sales from your TikToks, they're still helping you be successful. You don't always need followers. The followers are there, sure, whatever, but they honestly don't make a huge difference. And as long as people are still clicking on that link in your bio to go to your shop, then you're good. Which reminds me, make sure you link your shop in your bio. My goodness, the number of small businesses that I have seen make this huge mistake. If you have a business account or if you have a personal account that allows you to put the link in there, I think you have to have 1,000 followers on a personal account to have that link option. Put that link in your bio. Put it in there, because people are going to come across your videos and they're going to want to go and check out your business, and they know to go to your profile and click on that link in your bio so that they can go and find the item that they're looking for. And if you don't have it there, how are they going to shop on your store? They're not going to go into their Safari web browser and type in your store name. That is very unlikely. People are lazy, y'all. The less buttons they have to click to get to the item that they want, the better. The fourth part of this strategy is to post a lot. First off, minimum once a day. That is like the bare freaking minimum that we're doing here when it comes to TikTok, okay? Realistically, right now, the algorithm supports people who are posting 3 to 10 times a day. And I know that can sound extremely overwhelming, so start out with 1 a day if you want while you build up that consistency. But to be fair, when we're talking about content on TikTok, it is not as lengthy of a process to create that much content. You can repurpose a lot of the video clips that you use for different versions of content, and you can repurpose the same type of information over and over and over again. And that's where you're going to be able to get those multiple types of video a day. That's really going to allow you and your account to grow and then increase your sales. If you had one topic that you were talking about in your video, let's say, for example, you just created a brand new pair of earrings for your business. The different types of content that you could create around that new earring could be A, your process of making the actual item, so showing you building it. B, it could be a close-up with aesthetic music or maybe fun filters, just showing it in a close-up, just very cute. 3, it could be an informational, so how to pair it with a certain outfit, what other types of jewelry pieces look good with it. And then lastly, you could do another one where someone is actually wearing it in a video and talking about something even completely different, but people are still gonna ask about it because if it's the center of attention and it's very visible, people are gonna be curious about it anyways. You could even do video clips of you working on building it and then putting text over top of the screen with information about it, or just inspirational content that technically has nothing to do with your product, but your product is still in the video. So people are going to see it, and it's kind of like an indirect marketing way that intrigues people without it coming across as like skeezy, salesy, like, hey guys, I have new earrings, buy them from me, right? That doesn't work for people, right? What works for people is someone showing their jewelry or earring collection, and then those new earrings are within that collection. Or someone showing off their new outfit of the day or their accessories of the day, and those new earrings are a part of it. Those more organic ways of getting people interested in what you're selling are going to be the types of videos that you should be creating in order to draw people in. Part 5 of the strategy is to use trending sounds, okay? Trending sounds are those ones that you see constantly on your For You page. You're scrolling through and you hear that same sound like more than 3 to 5 times. It's a trending sound and you should probably be creating a video using that sound. I'm gonna pair this with my 6th part of the strategy, which is also doing trends, because they kind of go together. Certain trends and trending sounds are kind of like one and the same. So you might come across a TikTok that has a particular sound in it, and there is like a trend that goes along with the sound. And maybe it's showing something funny or telling a story or whatever. You need to be taking those trends that you see people doing on the For You page and recreating them for you and your small business and relating it to your business. The best tip that I can give you here would be to follow a ton of other small businesses over on TikTok so that you can see exactly what they're doing and then duplicate that over on your profile page to create the same type of trending content. And I promise you, if you start following people like this and you start actually consuming the content, you're gonna understand what is popular, what is doing well, and then you're gonna be able to make those for your own small business, which is going to allow you to go viral. With these trending sounds or trends in general, I would recommend doing at least one of these a day. There are always different trends circulating around, and if you can hop on them early, that's awesome. Hopping on them at all is definitely going to be beneficial to you and your account and your sales. So making sure that you do at least one of these a day, I think, is an important part of the strategy as well. However, this brings me to my 7th part of the strategy, which is varying the type of content that you do. Earlier, I talked to you guys about an example of if you had a brand new pair of earrings that you were trying to sell that just launched, you could create like a whole slew of different content ideas around that particular item. This is what you need to be doing every single time you have a new piece of content or an idea that you come up with for your TikToks. And you should be repurposing it as much as you possibly can. Trying out different formats, from talking head videos to vlogs to aesthetic or video clips with music or doing the trends. There's a ton of different types of video types that you can make on TikTok, and you need to just try a bunch of different ones and see which ones do best for you and then trying to recreate them. And tip here, whatever videos do really well for you and get a ton of views, keep making them. Keep making that same type of content or that same video or do that same trend for as long as you can. Ride that wave and get as many views and as many shoppers as you possibly can. And part 8 to this strategy is to do this for at minimum a month. Minimum a month. You'll see a lot of success within that first month if you do that, but if you can do this even past a month, if you can decide to do this for the next year or plus, and this just be a part of your everyday strategy for your small business, whew, y'all, you are going to have one successful business in 2022. You're gonna make so much money and you're going to be so proud of yourself at the end of the year when you can look back and say that you stuck to all this and it was actually beneficial for you in your business. Consistency usually always plays a part in like every strategy I have, but consistency is the most important. If you decide that you're gonna post on Monday and then you don't post again until the next Monday, and then you come back to me and you're like, but Lauren, it's not working. That's why. You need to be doing this every single day and you need to be committed to it and you need to stick to it and be consistent. So question of the day for you guys, are you already on TikTok? If you are, leave your link down below, your username, whatever you wanna do. Or if you just now signed up, now that we've watched this video, leave your link down below. Let's all go and follow each other. Let's go and support each other over on the account so that we can all have some fun followers and some people engaging with our content, and we can all just be a really great support system for each other. If you guys are brand new to Etsy and you are looking to have a little bit of additional help with your shop, maybe you're feeling like you're struggling, you can't figure out how to get good sales and you need some help, I highly recommend that you guys check out my Etsy Beginners Master Course. This course goes over so many different topics, you guys. We talk everything from how to set up your Etsy shop. We talk about social media and branding. We talk about SEO, photography, and so much more, guys. This is basically like your fast track to Etsy success, and it's something that I highly recommend. It saves you time and it'll save you money in the long run because you're gonna get all of that important information that you need to know to be successful on Etsy all up front. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys, as well as up here in the corner of the video, so you can go and check it out and learn a little bit more if you're interested in signing up. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to link another video that I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of other Etsy related tips and tricks so you can learn a ton more. Down here, you're going to find my subscribe button so you guys can stick around for more videos. I upload every Tuesday and every Friday. And lastly, I'm going to link my Etsy Beginners Master course. If you guys want to go and check it out and learn more, it's right there for you. And that's going to bring us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!